Hi and what's up? I'm Scovia and thank you for clicking on this video because today I am going to be showing you a very awesome chicken recipe and it's going to be so good that you will make it at home. So without further ado, I'm going to be using chicken breast, or you can use any boneless part of the chicken. So I'm going to be using chicken breast for this recipe. So I've chopped up into large cubes, and to marinate my chicken I'm going to be using light soy sauce, dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. So here is my mixture that I've already added in a small bowl. So I'm going to add this in my chicken. Then I'm going to add in black pepper. So it's a very simple recipe, but the outcome is going to be so delicious. Stir in the chicken with the marinade until combined, and then I'm going to let this marinate for at least 20 minutes, but if you have time you can marinate it for 1 hour or overnight. Yeah, that is going to give you the best results. After 20 minutes I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium high flame I'm going to add oil. Then I'm going to add in my chicken in the pan. Avoid overcrowding, because once you overcrowd the chicken, the temperature of the oil is going to drop, and then it's going to lose a lot of water and it will make it soupy. So you are not going to be searing the chicken, you're just going to be cooking the chicken breast. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. So I'll make mine in batches. So this is my first batch. And over here I have my onions, I have garlic, coriander, red capsicum and blended tomatoes. Actually that is all I'm going to be using, and tomato paste. That is all I'm going to be using for this recipe. So it is a very simple recipe, and as I've said, I'm going to be listing all the ingredients in the description box down below. This is the reason I was telling you not to overcrowd, because look at that color on my chicken breast. So I'm going to flip so that the other side can cook. And I'm loving this right now. Yum. Once the other side is seared, I'm going to transfer this to a plate. And then I'm going to add my second batch. My second batch is also ready. So to my pan, I'm going to use the same oil that I used to sear my chicken. I'm going to add in onions and stir. My oil is full of flavor from the soy sauce to the chicken juices. That is going to make a very awesome chicken. I'm going to cook my onions until soft. So that is about 1 minute on medium flame. As you can see, the onions have changed color because of the soy sauce marinade that we used to marinate our chicken breast. My onions are ready. So to my onions I'm going to add crushed garlic and ginger. Stir in and cook until fragrant. I'm loving the aroma in the kitchen right now. Once my garlic is fragrant, I'm going to add in my blended tomatoes. Stir in. Add some tomato paste. stir in the tomato paste and let the tomatoes cook until ready. That is about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm not going to be adding any seasoning at this point because soy sauce contains a lot of salt, so I'm going to wait for everything. I'm going to wait for everything to cook, and then I'm going to taste the seasoning. Once I check and find it's not well seasoned, I'm going to add my seasoning. Yeah. So my tomatoes are ready. I'm going to add in my chicken. Yum. Stir in the chicken together with the tomato sauce. Then I'm going to add the remaining marinade. Stir in. The sauce has thickened up, so I'm going to give it another minute. Check the seasoning and it's going to be ready. So I'm going to add in 1 chicken stock cube. Then I'm going to stir in. And let this simmer for 1 minute on medium low. So this is how my chicken is looking, and the gravy has thickened up. So I'm going to add in my red capsicum. Then I'm going to stir in, and this is looking absolutely amazing. Once the capsicum has softened up, I'm going to garnish with a little bit of coriander and serve. So I'm going to plate my chicken with white rice that I made earlier. Look at that. So there you go, guys. It has been an amazing 20 minutes because chicken breast usually cooks so fast. And oh my god, I'm loving my plate right now, so I can't wait to have a bite. So I added a chicken stock cube when I tasted the seasoning and found it was not perfect. So that has made my chicken even more yummier. So I hope you try out this recipe at home. Make for yourself this amazing chicken, and your family will surely enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Bye.